Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? In my previous video, we have completed the book exercises and question answer of chapter number 7. So, student, now in today video, I will start a new chapter, looking after our body. So please take one rough copy and pencil to note down the important things. So the name of our new chapter is looking after our body. Looking after our body. This is the name of your new chapter. Now, what are the learning objectives of this chapter? Children must understand the different ways to keep our body healthy. Various, so student, in food we eat, in that chapter we study the good eating habits. Now there are different ways also to keep our body healthy. So how can we keep our body healthy? By eating balanced diet, exercises, rest, cleanness. These things we will discuss in this chapter. And various precautions to be observed to be safe. So under this topic I will explain you what precaution should we take so that we are safe in home, school, playground, okay, and the basic idea of first aid. So what is a first aid, that I will explain you now. Looking after our body. We want to live a happy life. We want to be healthy and fit to do our work and enjoy life. To keep our body and surrounding healthy, proper care is needed. We must learn some good habits and follow them regularly. We can be healthy and enjoy our life by following the simple routine of eating healthy, exercising, maintaining hygiene, and taking enough rest. So student, everyone want that we live a happy life, happy and healthy life. So why everyone want to be a healthy and happy life? To enjoy the life. We want to be healthy and fit to do our work and enjoy life. To keep our body and surrounding healthy, proper care is needed. So, see student, our body is also like a machine. Machine has also many different parts. In the same manner, our body has also many different parts. Our body needs to be take care, and we should take care of all parts of the body, because human being, our body is also a machine, but it is a living machine. So student, to keep us fit and healthy, and even we have to care our body parts. And student, this can be done. You can live a healthy and life by following some simple routine, such as eating healthy, regular doing exercises, maintaining your hygiene. How it means, how do you take care of your body parts, and even you are taking enough rest. So now let's start with food. So student, we need healthy food to sustain ourselves. So why we need a healthy food? If you eat a healthy food which contain all the essential nutrients, then your body is strong. Is it clear? Food that provide us with every nutrients and help us to grow and fight diseases, termed as healthy or balanced diet. So student, special emphasis should be laid on fresh fruits and vegetables. Milk is an important food for children. You should drink it twice a day. Junk food should be avoided as it is not good for health. So, student, the food which we eat, that should be a balanced food, or you can say balanced diet. We must eat balance balance okay, the diet which we are taking, that diet should be balanced diet. Your body is healthy and strong only if you eat a balanced diet. Now what is a balanced diet? Of food which contain all the nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals in right proportion is called a balanced diet. In our previous chapter, we study what are energy giving food, what are bodybuilding foods, and what are protective foods. So we need a balanced diet. Energy giving food are very important. Why? Because we in our day to day life we do lot of different types of activities. We like, we play. See, in this picture the boy is playing with the ball. We play, we run, we do swimming, even you can do dance exercises. So, and even you do study. So for all these things you need energy. And from where you are getting this energy? You are getting this energy by eating energy giving foods. And the nutrients which are present in energy giving food are carbohydrates and fats. Okay, so student, and next, bodybuilding food, they are also very important because they help us to grow and develop your body. That, and the nutrient you are getting from that is protein. And the nutrient which you are getting by eating bodybuilding food is protein. It builds our body. And energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective foods. So protective foods are also very important. They need in a small quantity in our body, and these food make our immune system strong. These food make our immune system strong. And that is the reason, student, we should eat fresh fruits and vegetable. We should eat fresh 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 fruits and vegetables. Okay, and milk is also known as complete food. Even your parents advise you to eat fresh fruits and vegetable. Drink milk daily, 1 or 2 glass in a day. Okay, and because milk is also known as a complete food, it contains all the nutrients, carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, so student, you are in growing phase. इस समय आपकी ग्रोथ हो रही है. ठीक है, आप बड़े हो रहे हो, टॉल हो रहे हो. सो मिल्क, वी नीड प्रोटीन rich food in our diet, and milk is a complete diet. So please student, you should drink 1 or 2 glass of a milk daily. And another thing is that don't eat junk food. Don't eat junk food, because in the present time it has been observed that children are eating too much junk food, or you can say fast food, because these foods are tasty, they are good in taste. But student, the most important thing is that if you are eating this type of a food, it do not have nutrient values. Is it clear? This type of foods that we say junk or fast food, like pizza, burger, noodles, Maggie. These are not good for health. So, student, you should avoid eating junk food. What is the reason? Reason is that this food is not good for our health. This food is not good for our health. So student, to keep your body fit and healthy, and we need a balanced diet. We need a balanced diet. And another thing is that student, food should be eaten at regular intervals. Okay, after 2 or 3 hours you must eat something, and more emphasis should be given to fresh fruit and vegetables. Okay, now student, the second heading is exercises. How exercises are very important for us to keep our body fit and healthy. Okay, how exercises are very important. So student, if you do regular exercises, by doing regular exercises you can keep your body fit and healthy. See, few exercises has been shown in this picture. And when I teach you recreational activities, at that time I explain you exercise, the importance of exercises in our body. Playing outdoor is a good exercise and making our body strong. Dancing, cycling, doing yoga, swimming, all are good for keeping our body fit and active. So student, why there is a need of exercises? Why even your parents, even your school teachers, why all of them suggest you to keep a body fit and healthy, do exercises daily? So what is the reason for that student? Student, exercise is necessary to keep our body in good health and shape. Is it clear? Because when you do exercises daily, it make you fit and healthy. So exercise is necessary to keep our body in good health and shape. And exercises are more important for you children. Why? So that exercise is more important for young children. What is the reason? Young children need to exercise more so that their body will grow and develop correctly. For the growth and the development of the body, student, you need to do exercises daily. So, and what are the benefit of doing exercises? What are the benefit by doing regular exercises? Student, by doing regular exercises, the muscles of the body become more strong. Why? Because when you are doing exercises, it means you are involving the muscles of the body and makes them strong. When we are doing exercises, it means that at the time of exercise, what's happened? Exercise involves the muscles of the body and makes them strong. What are the other benefits of doing exercises? It improves breathing. Even student in our school also, your yoga instructor, she tells you many exercises related to your breathing. Or when she start exercises, so first exercises which you are doing, that how we control on our breathing, inhale and exhale. Okay, so by doing exercises you can improving exercises improves breathing. Your yoga instructor, your PT teacher, they tell you many exercises related to the body parts, because I told you our body is also like a machine, it has also many parts. So you have to take care of your parts, and for all parts of our body to keep them fit and healthy there. And how can you keep them fit and healthy? By doing exercises. See in the picture, you will see different types of exercises. See different types of exercises. So to for the parts of our body we do, to keep them fit and healthy, we do different types of exercises. In at the time of PT exercises, the teacher told you the exercises of a legs, exercises of a hand, exercises of your neck, exercises of your wrist, how you do the exercises for your eyes. Is it clear? Exercises for your backbone. So there are many exercises for different parts of the body, and to keep these parts fit and healthy you do exercises daily, because benefits are exercises improves breathing, your blood circulation. Why blood circulation? First is breathing, it improves your breathing. Second, your blood circulation. blood circulation. We know that our heart is the organ which circulate blood to all parts of the body, and we know that, student, why blood circulation is very important for us, because all the nutrients which we get by eating different types of a food is observed, and then through the blood they are circulated to all parts of the body, because our body is made of very small parts called it cells, and all parts of the body need energy to perform their functions. So blood circulation, by doing regular exercises, you can improve your blood circulation, digestion, and other physical process also. Here, process of digestion, there are many exercises by which you can take care of your different body parts. So exercises improve your breathing, blood circulation, digestion, and other physical processes. That is the reason, student, exercises are very important for us. See, dancing, this is also a very good exercises, because when we are dancing, then there is a lot of movements of all parts of the body, our head, neck, eyes. So cycling is a very good exercise for your thigh muscles. Doing yoga, see, student, in present time peoples are giving to more time in doing yoga to keep them fit and healthy. Even you know that 21st June we celebrated as Yoga Day, not only in India, all over the world. Is it clear? So 21st June is celebrated by United Nations as Yoga Day all over the world. So exercises are very important for us to keeping our body fit and acting. Swimming, student, swimming is also a very good exercises. This is also a very good exercises, because when you are doing swimming, there is lot of movement of your hand and leg. So this is also a very good exercise for your body. So in your busy schedule, it's my advice, because now the time has changed. You all are, lot of pressure is given on the student for the studies, but student, you can do study, that is good thing, but even you are more energetic and strong if you do regular exercises also. That is the reason now in schools also Yoga classes are also in the school. Yoga instructor, yoga teacher teach the student and also explain them what are the values of doing yoga. Thank you, student.